How are you, ma'am?
I am good.
Did you come late today?
Yes, I was stuck in traffic.
Is traffic bad today?
Yes, very bad.
Can I talk to you for a moment?
Yes, please tell me.
What help do you need?
I want to borrow your car.
For how long do you need the car?
For 3 to 4 hours.
Why do you need the car?
I need to go to my son's school.
Is everything okay?
Not really.
What happened?
My son is not good in English.
Did the teacher call you?
Yes, she called me today.
Why don't you take your own car?
My car is in the service center.
Can you take my car?
Yes, of course.
When will you return the car?
Before evening, around 4 p.m.
Is your son in primary school?
Yes, he is in grade 5.
Does he like English?
No, he feels scared of English.
Will you meet the English teacher?
Yes, I will meet her.
How are you feeling today?
I am feeling sad.
What is the problem?
I have no money.
Is your salary sufficient?
No, it is not sufficient.
What expenses are pending?
My son's school fees.
Did you talk to anyone about it?
No, I did not.
Why didn't you ask for help?
I feel shy to ask.
How much money do you need?
I need a small amount.
For how long do you need it?
For 1 month.
Will you return the money?
Yes, I promise.
Can I borrow some money from you?
Yes, you can.
When do you need the money?
Today, if possible.
Why is education important?
It helps children succeed.
Do you want to improve your English?
Yes, I want to improve my speaking.
What do you find difficult?
I feel nervous when I speak.
Do you make mistakes while speaking?
Yes, I do.
How can confidence improve?
With regular practice.
How did you improve your English?
By practicing every day.
Who did you practice with?
Friends and teachers.
What should beginners practice first?
Simple daily conversations.
Should I focus on grammar first?
No, focus on speaking.
What should I listen to?
English videos and podcasts.
Should I use subtitles?
First yes, then without them.
Does speaking aloud help?
Yes, it helps a lot.
Can speaking in front of a mirror help?
Yes, it builds confidence.
Should I record my voice?
Yes, it helps find mistakes.
How should vocabulary be learned?
In sentences, not alone.
How much should I practice daily?
About 15 minutes a day.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m.
Do you exercise in the morning?
Yes, for 15 minutes.
What do you eat for breakfast?
Toast, eggs, and fruit.
How do you go to work?
I go by bus.
What time do you finish work?
I finish at 6 p.m.
What do you do in the evening?
I relax and watch TV.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10:30.
Where do you live?
Near the city center.
How many people are in your family?
There are 4 people.
What do you do on weekends?
I spend time with my family.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I like traveling.
Is this seat free?
Yes, please sit.
Are you new here?
Yes, I'm new in this area.
What do you do?
I am a student.
What sport do you like?
I like badminton.
Shall we meet this Saturday?
Yes, that sounds good.